Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start immediately by confirming the device is unlocked and that your photos or settings are backed up. This protects you if anything goes wrong. Next, open Settings or long press the home screen to access wallpaper options. Once there, identify whether the wallpaper comes from Gallery, a third-party app, or is a live image. Make sure you have permission to modify home and lock screens separately so you won't be blocked when removing or replacing the image. You now take the actionable steps to remove the wallpaper. Tap the current wallpaper preview and choose Remove, None, or Replace with a default. If the image was set from Gallery, open the photo, use the menu to delete from wallpaper sources, or set as blank/solid color. If a launcher or wallpaper app controls it, open that app and revoke the home screen permission, or uninstall the app to disengage automatic resets. Make sure to confirm changes so the system. Finish by confirming the home screen displays the default or a blank background. If it doesn't, reboot the device to force a refresh. If the wallpaper persists, clear the launcher cache or reset home preferences in settings to remove stored images. If a third-party app keeps reapplying wallpaper, open that app and disable auto-apply or uninstall it entirely. One key troubleshooting tip: make sure you haven't got a synced wallpaper from cloud services. Disable sync before retrying removal to ensure it doesn't reappear.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.